Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. Just go over the picks that we got today, which is the 28th of July. Got this Nuova bread oven. It's got the flame paint on it. Looks pretty cool, not paint, but ceramic. Then we have a dolly. Then we have the Day of the Dead from Colombia. Then we got a volcano. Then we've got a double Dutch. Then we've got a BSR number 12 Century Series. We've got two of these cool hamburger grills. I've got to get tops for them. I've got the other one that's got the top, so I'm going to see if I can find somebody to cut some out from steel. Got this really cool Japanese little grill. It's got the top that comes off. It's pretty stinking cool. I'm glad I grabbed that one. And then I've got this roaster fish pan. I know it's made in Taiwan. Kind of looks like one of the large squarish ones. But that's it, guys. That's what I got in today. Hope everybody has a great one and stays cool.